Okay, Kyron is in the blue shorts.
Pants on. He's not playing.
Number 18.
11.
Oh, okay. Okay, he's out there. Okay, he's on the side.
Go. Go.
This is Parker's fan club.
Yes.
Good job.
Go.
Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going.
Go.
Sweet. Good one. I've been to that baseball practice with them for a while.
Yeah, I've never done anything but drive by.
You're pretty close, aren't you? How many blocks away is your house?
Well, 50th, and then over,
7.
so probably.
Did you walk?
9 blocks.
No, I didn't, because I have to go to the store afterwards. But I was tempted to. Such a nice evening.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never ever been back here.
Yeah.